All right, Shalom. So I wanted to continue with the lesson, speaking about how this man, guru, self-proclaimed, Bagwhan Rajnessh. And when I was younger, my family, we used to clown. We used to call him, we were pretty close on his name, you know what I mean? Call him Rajneesh. Well, it was pretty close. Like I said, Rajneesh, Rajneesh. We just put a bunch of niches in there and laugh. But for the sake of the lesson, man, I thought it was real important to capture the images of the people that are head over heels with this so-called prophet at his time that was linked and involved with crazy debauchery and self-deprecation and just a bunch of things that are not on the statutes and commandments list for us to obey rightly. He's knocking it off and encouraging people as well. So that's one reason why it crumbled. But another thing is that I wanted to, like I said, bring to the light scriptures that do tell about Yahweh Shem Yahushai and the elect, how it's going to be. We went through Isaiah 14, Daniel, and now let's look at the reason why. Because this man, they showed his picture of what he looked like before, and just the following. Well, this is some of the bug out things that they was doing. We'd be fighting, buck wild, that's the first or second part of meditation. They said that STDs was just crazy. It was rampant. Alright, so a lot of people was just head over heels for this man because they're like, look, we're seeking atonement, absolvement, as well of our sins to be absolved as best we can. Even the little children, all right? But in the scriptures it shows that all man, woman, and child will show their gratitude and be ruled over. Even if they don't show their gratitude, they will be ruled over, irregardless, all right? Hosea chapter 1, verse 10, yet the number of the children of Israel shall be as the sand of the sea, which cannot be measured nor numbered. And it shall come to pass that in the place where it said unto them, ye are not my people, there it shall be said unto them, ye are the sons of the living power. So the main part in there where it says that ye are not, where it says that in the place where it said you're not my people, that we are the people, that's very important. Because when people looked at immediately, people, first of all across this town, the state of Oregon, and all of America looked in horror that a brown man, would set up shop with the type of, just, buzz surrounding him, He didn't come and just kind of, well, we need to get the funds together. Homeboy came and started building ASAP. All right, Rajneesh Puram meaning, I guess that's like a level of like some type of nirvana or peace or tranquility, I think, possibly, as well as that. But yeah, homeboy started building in these mountains. Man, the town people, they was pissed. All right, now, like I said, it could be a coolie or whatnot, but there's a part here which is really, I want to show you this picture of this admiration that this woman is showing. Now that's Mahanan Sheila, and I'm talking about, was completely head over heels, and he did not plow her. You know what I mean? He didn't knock off the dust, so to say. He didn't see her in them pum shots. This is very interesting. All right, but that's the kind of affection and admiration these people had. All right, it's very important. The brown man sitting here getting love, getting serious love. All right. I'm gonna go down to what else here? Oh, I kind of wrote down a few things here, images to kind of capture. What this freaking this guy, Anand Sheila. She was a bad motherfucker. Look at the admiration, all right? Look, possibly Esau. You know what I mean? Elam, for sure. You know what I'm saying? Amalek. There's people here that are that are really have no business, so called doing things and not having love and whatnot. Look how they worship. It's gonna be real in the scriptures. All right. Now you can't even wrap your head around it. Okay. Can't even wrap your head around it. But that's the admiration and everything that people were showing. Look at this here. Yeah. Rolls Royces. They said he had about 90 something Rolls Royces. Okay. Outrageous. Even here, let me go back here. They was really, really sweating this dude with all their heart and soul. Instead of practice centers, they were to pour their funds into creating new compounds as well as sending money for some time. Check this out. Rajneesh was also under pressure from another, much more unexpected source. Rajneesh himself. In India, he had developed a taste for fine goods and conspicuous consumption, which ran contrary to the minimalist lifestyle he espoused in Rajneeshpuram. He began making demands on Sheila. Not only did he want a beautiful, large new house. Now look what kind of special. Look, man. Now he went from, you know what I mean, nothing. First of all, India, Calcutta, Bangladesh, New Delhi. You know what I mean. Listen, these ain't no places to deal with. Pure separation. Like a belly when the kids was running in a not Ninja Man, but what you name Slovakia, but what you name Ox. Ox was like pure separation, and the youth them was running. But look, it's like a Jake. Look at the peacocks. Look at it. They said that he would be his own enemy because now he started saying, "Oh, Rolls Royces. Only real niggas do that. Peacocks, only real, you know what I mean, vermin do that." He had he had $1 million watch at one time. Look here, this look like Times Square up in there. With a big Coca-Cola sign and everything. Could be Paris. Oh, no, that's Europe. Because you got an old style Rolls. It might be Piccadilly Circus. Anyway, the point is that I wanted to show you parts of where this man could have been a Jake. Either way, he still was worshipped, and he still was praised, and he still was bigged up. All right, women throwing at his feet. And brethren, what I'm trying to say is that be encouraged, because if you can see what it looked like, and we seen so-called niggas that's balling in a club, might be at the little so-called ass club, you know what I'm saying, the little whatever dance club. And VIP section, he got all of them, but they not praise and worshiping. As long as that stuff was flowing, he's sitting there big with his friends and women and whatnot. But this man showed you really how he captured them on a molecular, on a spiritual level. And yeah, he did knock off a few of them women, you know what I mean? But it was like a dance and an agreement. They knew he's still a man, so they knew what, you know what I'm saying, his science was, and they was cool because they was like, nah, we gonna big you up, all right. So, and he took a vow of silence. You want to piss a woman off? Don't say nothing to her. She come in the room. How come you ain't do this? I thought you said you was gonna do this. What happened to this? And you don't say nothing. Watch her go berserk. And that's what Bagwhan Rajnessh, I was messing up, Rajneesh. Hey, that's what partner he did. He said, I ain't talking to none of y'all. And y'all still better give me flowers, roses. Take them, you know what I'm saying, that little crooked piece off the stem. You know what I mean? Baby's breath. You know? So be encouraged, brothers, because, this man here, he had in his mind was like, wow, I am being worshipped. Look at them dancing, man, woman, roses in the air, fireworks. Vow of silence, all right? Now, Pana was a special kind of dude. Let's go to, we read Hosea already? Yeah, that was the point about our being that kind of people. We don't, the rest of Israel has a hard time seeing themselves like that because they hardly see somebody of color or somebody with that type of whatever. And like I said, as of now, you know, look like a coolie to me, Elam, but his lust, a lot of them have real big lust for jewelry, gold shining, looking real nice. They weddings be something, I mean, something to put some price tag on it. Be real super crazy. So a lot of these people here, you know what I mean, they favor and it's very well, but you know what I mean, it's something to encourage you and to understand that no matter what the image is, because what? Ecclesiastes, remember? Ecclesiastes chapter 10 verse 7. I have seen servants upon horses and princes walking as servants upon the earth. Remember to put it in contact what this picture looked like. There's many of them. But this is one here where they have, you know what I mean, 12 on the horses. It's a good picture here of Jake. He looked like he in hell. He like, ah, man. You know what I mean? I'm tripping. I promised that I was going to watch my son this evening. I was supposed to go this, and that. And look, he fucked up, right? So, Israel, understand, man, these people here, they really tapped in at one time. In America, they fought back, right? They're like, hell no, that look crazy. What's another picture here? 17. Yeah, look at here. Anand Sheila. Oh, we don't want to play it. More roses, more love. Okay, yeah, we had looked at this picture already. Absolutely, and it's a new one. He had a new woman. Peace Force. Pana had he also had a military. Look how they kicked it, but this was more like hedonistic, right? So while they doing all that, you know, they got spirits and demons on them, making them think. When these people finally came to reality, they was all messed up about it. All right, okay. But let me go into a couple more scriptures real quick, real fast. Deuteronomy, Jeremiah chapter 20. Let me go back to Jeremiah. Chapter 20, right? Verse 13. It says, sing unto the Lord. Let's start again. Salakia. Sing unto Yahweh Bahashim Yahweh Shai. Praise ye Yahweh Bahashim Yahweh Shai, for he hath delivered the soul of the poor from the hand of evildoers. All right? This is why we're supposed to praise the Yahweh Bahashim Yahweh Shai. All right? This is the reason why we're also good. We will be praised as well, and we will have we will be ruling with the rod of iron on behalf of Yahweh Bashem Yahweh Shai. King of kings will be set in a kingly place, a priestly place, correct. But Yahweh Bashem Yahweh Shai is King of kings and Lord of lords, right? All right, let's do another one, next one. Last one here. Book of John, St. John, chapter 4. Right? It says, but the hour cometh, and now is, when the true worshippers shall worship the Father in spirit and in truth, and the Father seeketh such to worship him. Verse 24. The Most High is a spirit, and they that worship him must worship him in spirit and in truth. So whenever people come up and say, why does it matter? Well, that's the why. He's a spirit. He needs to be worshipped in spirit and in truth. All right? Very, very important. All right? So with that, I want to say shalom. Hope you brothers was edified. All right? Shalom.